My name is Miter Zimmerman. I'm a packaging science major, and today I'm going to talk about the sustainable package. So the basic package, it contains the product, protects the product from the environment and from any sort of damage that can come from shocks, vibrations, mishandlings. And it also communicates a clear message to the consumer. So the package is the first thing that consumers see. They see the colors on the label, the logo of the company, the product name. They can see information regarding the product. And all these things kind of bridge the gap between the product and the consumer. And also the basic package provides easy handling of the product. So an overview of what I'll talk about today. First thing I'll go over is what is sustainability. And then I'll go into the issue of packaging disposal. And then sustainability in the industry and what a specific company is doing. And then I'll talk about a specific biopolymer and how it's sustainable, and then I'll wrap this up with a conclusion. So what is sustainability in regards to packaging? So a sustainable package needs to promote the health of the environment, but it also needs to be economic healthy, a good investment for a company also. It needs to promote economic growth. And if it isn't, then what is the point of even creating the sustainable package in the first place? So there are 8 parts to a sustainable packaging definition. The first is the package safe and healthy for individuals and communities throughout its life cycle? So life cycle means from the beginnings of sourcing the raw material to manufacturing the material into a package and then disposing of said package. Is the package using renewable energy during its life cycle? Are the best practices and technologies being used? Is it being made from materials healthy in all end-of-life scenarios? So is it being landfilled? Can it be recycled? Is it biodegradable? And if so, are we putting it into an industrial composter where organisms are breaking it down? Can it be incinerated for the energy? And all of these things are taking into account the recovery of the materials and the optimization of the materials and the energy. So the issue of packaging disposal. How much waste is entering landfills in regards to packaging? And that's a major problem. So as a packaging engineer, I'm pretty much creating waste. And 1/3 of all that waste entering the landfill is packaging. And waste is highly visible in a landfill. So you don't want to be driving down the interstate and looking over and seeing a landfill with all the waste piled up. It's just an eyesore. Now another problem is the runoff that the packaging material can create inside of the landfill. Is that runoff getting into the water source and contaminating it? And then we have a bigger issue on our hands in regards to public health. Other issues in regards to packaging are degradable versus biodegradable. If it's biodegradable, are we putting it in a landfill, and if so, why? Landfills don't really offer the suitable environment for organisms to break down the biodegradable packaging. So why are we putting it in a landfill besides when we can put it in a composter? And also, what is the acceptable amount of residual content being used to create a package? So residual content is the recycled material. Like how much new material are we using to create a coordinated box versus how much of that is recycled material coming in? And so these are some of the issues in regards to packaging and ways that we can promote sustainability in the packaging industry. So Walmart is a major player in regards to sustainability. They've come out with something called the Walmart Scorecard, where they assess the environmental impacts associated with all stages of a packaged product. And some of these environmental impacts include the gathering of the raw materials through material processing, manufacturing, distribution, use, repair, and then also disposal. So they're looking at the energy consumption of all these different stages, or better yet, cradle to grave, so beginning to end, and it's full scale. So if a company scores badly, then its product will not be on Walmart's shelves. So this is just a way that Walmart is promoting the most sustainable packaging or most sustainable products and packages on their shelves. So a specific biopolymer that is currently on the market today is polylactic acid, or better yet, PLA, and is similar to PET, which is a thermoplastic. And PLA is sourced from field corn, and it provides the convenience, the look, feel of regular plastic, but is 100% a renewable resource and is actually carbon neutral. And PLA is used in cleared food containers and beverage bottles. And it's just a very sustainable option in regards to using plastics in the packaging industry. So in conclusion, sustainability in the packaging industry is a major issue. And one of the questions I'm trying to answer is, how can we create a package that is efficient, cost effective, and environmentally healthy? And some of the steps that I've outlined today are just ways that we can take a better approach at a sustainable future. And I'll answer any questions in the discussion board. Thank you for your time.